we have Chiranjeevi along with your captain Bartholomew Agbeche.
Primore piçindurken. Oi, Tanana.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in warmly welcoming the lady leading the charge for sports in India, without whom none of this would have been possible. The founder and chairperson, Football Sports Development Limited, Mrs. Neeta Ambani.
Namaskaram, Kerala. Devatinde Swatam Nada. PK and Kerala Blasters for the game today. And I wish all the good luck.
The journey that is season 6 for the Yellow Brigade. The Blasters have lost 2 finals against the visitors by the closest of margins. Kerala Blasters against ATK. That's what everyone is playing for. It's game 1 tonight, but game 95, we will find out. We welcome Paul Macefield to commentary, yet shifted from North East, where he took them to the finals playoffs for the very